Hi everyone. In Chapter 2, we're going to start using the textbook more and more, and it's a fancy textbook, so I wanted to show you a couple of things that we'll be working with in these next few sections. If you open up Chapter 2 and open up the introduction, we'll see that there's a couple of things here. One is a video about why the material that we're going to cover in this section is important, and another one is a case study that you can read. These other first three things you'll see are called Microsoft Excel Graded Tutorial, number 1, 2, and 3, and although it says that they're graded, they won't actually be graded for the class. When you open up one of these tutorials, what you'll see is a description of the problem and some questions that you'll need to fill in the answers for. And you'll also see a couple of links. One is to a spreadsheet, which has got the data that you need to use to answer these questions. And if you click on it, it will open up an online version of Excel that contains the data along with all the same questions that are in the activity itself. If you've never used Excel before, it may also be a good idea for you to open up this video. And if you open this up and start to watch it, it's a complete walkthrough of this exercise and describes exactly what you need to type and how to use the syntax so that you can answer all of these questions. Once you've got the answers to all these questions, you'll type them into the appropriate blank in the worksheet itself. And if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you'll see a button that says Check My Work. And when you press that, it's going to tell you if you got the answers right or wrong. When you're done, you can click Next, and you can submit the activity for grading. This doesn't count directly towards your grade, but it's important to complete these activities, especially if you're not already a power user. So that is what the Excel graded tutorials look like. The Excel stuff that'll actually be graded shows up like this, with an orange dot that says next to it, counts towards grades. And these structured activities that'll be part of your grade have a similar format. It's this question and answer format. You can open the spreadsheet and there is still a walkthrough video that you can use to help you get through the exercise. Okay, so I hope that's helpful, and I think you'll really be able to learn a lot with these activities.